Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing January 2026's Yarnable. So, if you are not familiar with my Yarnable unboxings, I buy this out of my own money for my own personal pleasure and usage. I did review the Yarnable subscription box many years ago. I'm still purchasing it for myself, so obviously the review went pretty well. Cheryl is the owner of Hypnotic Yarn. Hypnotic Yarn is the company that produces Yarnable. That is their subscription box. So this is a monthly subscription box. You never know what you are going to get. Now, she does do sneak peeks. So if it's a month you don't particularly like, if you want to do the sneak peek, you can skip that month. Or if you want to place an order for maybe Devil the Yarn, if you know you're going to love it, you can do that as well. As far as the subscription box basics, you can get yarn only. You can get it in multiple different weights. You can get it with extras. You can get it the deluxe with the mini skein. She offers a ton of different varieties of options depending on what would work best for you. For my Yarnable, I always say with these, I never know what I'm going to get, but I know I'm going to love it. At the end of these, I normally dip into my previous month's subscription boxes and find other coordinate colors that she's previously dyed that would go with this month's yarn. So, allons-y, mes amis. What did we get this month? So, this month's theme is Chaos Coordinator. I kind of love the theme. I have a love-hate with this theme, but as I am perpetually, I'm a generically happy person. I have a happy disposition. I have a disposition to make the best of a bad situation most of the time. That's just kind of my general, but there are times where life can just be a chaos coordinator. I love the dumpster fire theme without it being dumpster fire. So this one says, "This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine." This is an enamel pin. And it's, you know, an actual like pokey, stabby, stabby pin. And then we also got a pin and a keychain. And these say, "It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine." Continuing with our little theme there. And the pen also says, "The strongest steel is forged in the fire of a dumpster." So I like the twist on the dumpster fire theme. I like the fact that it's chaos coordinator, not the nihilistic, everything's broken we see so often. So the most important part of this month's box, the yarn. And might I say, I've previewed this. I went ahead and pulled a coordinate instead of breaking to go get a coordinate this time. When I saw this, I was very, very excited. This is this month's yarn. Many of you will know I love red and black. It's one of my favorite aesthetics. I like the Queen of Hearts colorways. I like the thriller slasher colorways that tend to be red and black. And then I am also a Gamecock fan. So if we move more into like the wine color, the garnet color with black, I also really love that combo. I wear a ton of black and I don't wear a ton of red. So something like this is an easy way to inject red into my wardrobe. Love it. Love it. To be fair, I love it. Now, there's like 9 million different things my brain immediately normally goes to, like shawls and socks and how to combine different things. But for some reason, as soon as I pulled the only coordinate we had from previous Yarnables, because there's only one that coordinates to this one that I have, my brain, as soon as I saw these together, was like, "Ooh, let's add a black, and this needs to be a sweater." So I may find myself having to order another hank or two of this if I can't come up with something else and get this out of my brain. But This month's yarn pairs beautifully with Picnic Basket. And this is from like 2023, 2022. And this is a tonal red. As you can see, the mid-tone is really what we're seeing represented in this month's yarn, but it's just enough to keep interest there. And my brain is like, if you have a black tonal that's more black than gray, it would be super duper cute to do like the cuff and bottom band of a sweater and say the red, and then do the collar trim in black and have the base of the sweater. I'm just saying that my brain is not letting it go. Will this be adorable if you made a pair of socks, made this the heel toes cuffs? Obviously. Would this be adorable if you made a shawl and did a large lace trim across the bottom or down the side to wrap it up? Obviously. Would this be an amazing, once again, bicolor beanie? Of course. Would this be a perfect one of those infinity scarves where you fade the colors into each other on each end and Kitchener everything together? Duh. But my brain will not let go of sweater. And it's driving me crazy. So I had originally filmed this video 2 days ago and the sound was corrupted on it, or somehow my microphone didn't pick up the audio properly. And I got this Saturday. I unboxed it for myself to see what we had. Sunday, I filmed it. Monday, I'm filming this today. Tuesday, the day you're hopefully seeing this, as long as the audio and the video and everything are okay. My brain is still on, this needs to be sweater. Anyway, that is this month's Yarnable, along with the pairing for this month. I've only been up here 10 minutes and I already have cats going crazy. I don't know why, but they're already going bananas. So if you hear them, I do apologize. So I understand this might not be everybody's color palette. It is a very dramatic, high contrast palette. Just like I love the yellow, black, yellow, gray combo. This is one of those combos that just to me, I adore. I understand high contrast palettes are not for everybody's taste, but what are you thinking? And what did your brain immediately think? Especially when you saw, I mean, black would be easy to find a pairing. And I did look it up. This month's deluxe mini skein, partner skein, coordinate skein is a deeper than mid-tone, but not to charcoal gray, or at least that's what it appeared to be. So, like I said, my brain is just in it for some reason. It is so trapped on the idea of the not matching ribbing. Like, just needs to be like a basic crew neck or wider, like U-neck almost sweater. So the collar is definitely on display. But then if you do the cuff to match the bottom band, then everything kind of creates a line across the bottom. So it kind of just blends into each other. I don't know. My brain is a majestic, wild forest, and there's no making heads or tails of it any given day. But what do you see? Since my brain is in ADHD obsessive cycling right now, what do you see out of this combination? And red is one of the colors we don't get super frequently. We get a red about once every like 15, 18 months. We got a wine and khaki colored one. And there's another one that's got some red in it in my collection. I'm not sure if that is a Yarnable or if that's just a straight hypnotic yarn. But that candy apple red, this is the only other one we've gotten so far. So anyway, I'm going to run out of here. I don't want to over talk. Save the insanity for the show and tell on Thursday. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. There is an affiliate link down below. It is open to new subscribers as of yesterday. So today, as of filming this, as of this going live for you guys, if you are interested in the Yarnable subscription box, hit that link either on my video or one of the other people's videos. Or if you just say, I don't want any of y'all to get affiliate money, I'm going to go straight to Yarnable. Do that. But it is open for new subscribers. And like I said, yarn extras, yarn with coordinate skeins, multiple different options. I get mine in fingering, but you can do fingering, DK, whatever. Check out what she offers, because she really does try to make this a consumer pleasing experience. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, you guys.